We utilize testing here at Keystone Specific Chiropractic Center to make decisions about your care. So how much testing do we do? So on your initial visit, you'll have your x-rays, balance and posture, range of motion, and digital thermography scan of your entire spine. Every time you come in for an adjustment, Dr. Bill will do digital thermography scans of your neck. That helps him make decisions about your care each time you come in to see how things are working or not working. Midway through your initial care plan and at the end, he'll do a full back scan, balance and posture, and sometimes range of motion. And then at the end, he also does a single x-ray so he can compare it to your initial x-rays to see how things are moving along.
And once you are past your initial care plan and you're on a maintenance schedule, or as we like to call it, wellness, we will do a yearly exam that consists of balance and posture assessment, as well as a digital thermography scan of your spine. And x-rays are only done if a need arises at no cost to you.